Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ranjana Dureja. Today we are discussing about bonus schemes. Bonus is the kind of cash payment that organization is giving to their employees on the basis of employee performance or overall organization productivity. The aims of bonus schemes are it shares the success of any organization so that they can increase the motivation and morale of employees. It provides rewards so that individuals feel motivated. Reward can be in the form of indirect incentives to ensure the good quality of work in future as well. There are different types of bonus schemes. First is bonus only, and second is bonus and in combination of bonus we may have a contingent pay. Bonus only is a scheme wherein employee will get the bonus as a part of their individual performance or as a part of their group performance maybe. It may thereby increase the commitment and engagement level of employees, and employee feels satisfied so that employee's contribution is being rewarded. The payment of bonus can be in the form of cash sum, or it can be in the form of large sizable increment that organization is giving. Other than that, bonus and contingent pay scheme. In this scheme, bonus is linked with contingent pay. You are getting bonus, and this amount of bonus is calculated on the basis of your variable pay, and your variable pay and bonus can be linked, and you have been getting a lump sum huge amount as a part of your contribution towards organization success. There are different types of bonus scheme, and now we will be discussing each and every scheme in detail one by one. Very first is business performance scheme. In business performance scheme, if you are doing business and your business is profitable, you can share the profit among the employees or among the group members. That is a business performance scheme. Next is individual bonus or incentive plan. In individual bonus or incentive plans, incentive is being shared among the employees as a part of bonus, as a part of individual contribution towards organization success. It is all based upon how individual has contributed, and the lump sum amount will be getting by individual as a part of incentive plan. Other is team pay. When we are talking about team pay, if say for example team has performed well, so the amount of bonus as a part of team pay will be shared among employees. It can be equally or it can be based on the ratio of work contribution towards organization and team contribution towards organization. Next is profit sharing. When organization want to share the lump sum amount of profits or shares among the employee as business is profitable. Share ownership scheme is a type of bonus wherein in the form of bonus you are not getting cash or incentive, you are getting shares. And if you are getting shares, you can purchase or share it, purchase, and you can sell it at your own at any time which you want to. So organization are not sharing their profit in terms of cash, but they are distributing shares among employees. Thank you.